Smell Casa de Ricos for 24 hours, 7 days a week, all year round. Put this in your house and your home will smell like Casa de Ricos. The best of all is that it is a very simple advice and with few ingredients, but you will be very surprised by the smell that your house will have. To start, take a container and we are going to add coarse salt. Do not worry about the amount of any of the ingredients that we are going to use, since the duration of this product is up to a month, which will make each quantity worth it. Spread the salt throughout the container to ensure that it mixes properly with the other components. Now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of alcohol, which will be the second ingredient for this suggestion. Alcohol is responsible for exhaling the aromas used in this mixture. Once we add it, we will mix everything very well to ensure that the ingredients are perfectly integrated. I am sure that this easy and quick advice will make your day-to-day much more pleasant. The main ingredient of this mixture and that will bring the smell that your home needs is the softener. In my case, I am using concentrated softener, but you can use the one you prefer. It is enough with 4 caps that are equivalent to 100 milliliters to add it to the container and then mix it well with the other ingredients. If necessary, you can even increase the amount of softener if you prefer. This advice also works perfectly using disinfectant, so you have options to choose from. This advice is so effective that every time I receive visits, my guests ask me what the secret is for my house to always smell so good. The answer is in this mixture that I spread throughout the house. I mainly use it in the bathroom to avoid any bad smell, but you can use it in different rooms of your house. You can even choose different smells of softener to create different environments. Thanks to the use of coarse salt, the softener and alcohol will remain active all the time in this container, ensuring a lasting and pleasant fragrance. To give a special touch, and in addition to bringing a great aroma, I will add the smell nails. These small elements also help spread the smell of the softener and keep away the insects from your house. Together, all these elements will be the solution to always keep your home clean and with a pleasant smell. I'm sure all the guests will notice the great aroma that is breathed in your house. If you've made it this far, leave me the phrase "delicious smell," so I'll know you saw the whole video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you can continue to enjoy all our tips.